Welcome, today in front of me POCO C40 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button we can see that we can activate the camera application, and if you want to change this option, for example to activate the flashlight, we should first open the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. After that, click here to gesture shortcuts, and we can see now here the launch camera or turn on torch by double press to the power key button. And just to do that, we should click here only once on the switcher, on double press camera, replace it, replace. So now let's just press twice to the power key and we can see that the torch successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.